Want a roll that stays soft for days? Allrecipes user Layla says these fluffy soft rolls are made with butter and love. Her Grandma Rita's soft butter rolls are the perfect side dish for your dinner or holiday feast. Start by pouring 3/4 cup of milk into a measuring cup. Heat in the microwave for about a minute or until the milk starts to boil and climb up the sides of the glass. But do not boil it too far so that it overflows and you've got a milk mess everywhere. Been there, done that, got the t-shirt. Add in 1/4 cup of butter and 1/4 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of salt and let the scalded milk cool until it gets between 100 and 110 degrees. Dissolve 4½ teaspoons of active dry yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar in a 1/2 cup of 110-degree warm water in a large bowl. Let stand until the yeast softens and begins to form a creamy foam, which should take about 10 minutes. This creamy foam is the byproduct of your yeast reawakening, or blooming. Without this step, your rolls will be hockey pucks. Combine the milk and yeast mixtures, then 2 cups of bread flour and 1 lightly beaten egg. Stir the mixture with a wooden spoon until smooth. Add in the remaining 1.5 cups of flour gradually, mixing between each 1/2 cup addition. When the dough is smooth and tacky, you know you're done. Dust a sheet of wax paper with a little bit of flour and turn out your dough to knead it. Pull and shape into a ball and then place in a large, lightly oiled bowl. Cover with a kitchen towel and place in a warm place for 30 minutes to let the dough rise. Once the dough has risen, divide it into thirds. Break each third into 6 evenly sized balls and arrange on the baking sheet. Cover it with a towel and let the dough rise again for about 30 minutes. Bake in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes or until the tops of the rolls are a nice golden brown. Allrecipes users have eaten up this 5-star recipe for Grandma Rita's soft butter rolls. Let us know if you make them and comment what you think about them. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching.